Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate the game picture-in-picture mode on Android phone. So you can use this multitasking feature if you want to still stay in touch with some apps on your phone, but you can still play the game. So what you need to do is just go to the settings on your phone. Okay, you need to go to this ultra game mode on your phone. So or you can also just click on the search column and just type in game as the keyword. So after you find the settings, just click on the game mode, this one, and in here just scroll down until you find this multitasking section. So there will be this game picture in picture. Click on that. So if you want to during the gameplay still want to use some apps, for example like WhatsApp or maybe other apps, you can just enable this. So you can use the gesture. You can swipe up with 3 fingers to display the list of small window apps like this, and here you can also display the floating message icons. So during the gameplay, notifications for social apps will be displayed as floating icons, and you can tap on icon to open the corresponding app in a small window. So just click on this. So this is the preview. You can see if you swipe 3 fingers, the apps will be shown on the left side of your phone. So these are the list of my apps that I can still use when during the gameplay. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.